And if we talk about the data, then globally, the mobile gaming market is projected to reach 60,439.8 crores by 2028, growing at a CAGR from 12.6%. Here you can implement a subscription-based model where your users will pay you monthly, quarterly or yearly depending upon the system, and here they'll get each and everything they want, premium features, plus you are also generating a huge amount of revenue from this whole sponsorships and partnerships. Hey there game enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. So are you struggling to monetize your own gaming app? Well, you are in the luck today. I'm Shruti and today we are going to dive into the ultimate guide of game app monetization. But before that, if you are new here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. Now let's get started. So why is monetization so important in gaming applications? Well, it's simple. You want to generate revenue from your own gaming app, right? But with so many monetization strategies and the difficulty to choose the right one for your own application is very difficult and very overwhelming for especially new developers and new entrepreneurs. And if we talk about the data, then globally, the mobile gaming market is projected to reach 60,439.8 crores by 2028, growing at a CAGR from 12.6% starting from 2023. And if we talk about India, then the Indian mobile gaming market is expected to reach 14,411.1 crore by 2026 with a growth rate of 82.1% from 2024 to 2032. Such a huge amount. Why? Because many developers, many entrepreneurs, many businessmen now know that they can generate a huge amount of revenue. But how? So let us understand different ways that you can generate revenue from your own gaming application. First is in-app purchases. So here you can implement in-app purchases to allow your users to buy virtual things, virtual items, currencies or even premium features. Here your users can buy anything they want at any time. And here this strategy works greatly with the gameplays with more engagement and with loyal users. Here you should keep in mind that you should build and design your in-app purchase experience in such a way that it should be smooth, seamless and secure, ensuring that overall revenue stream is very smooth for your game. Second is advertising. So here you can generate revenue from various sources. Here you can implement various ads. Here you can integrate with various ad systems. Maybe banner ads, maybe interstitial ads or maybe reward ads where your users can watch the whole ad and after that they'll get rewarded. Here you should keep in mind that you should generate a huge amount of revenue from advertising, but your user experience should not be get spoiled because of huge ads. Here you should not irritate your users, your players with providing huge number of ads while they are playing the game. Next is subscription. So here you can implement a subscription-based model where your users will pay you monthly, quarterly or yearly depending upon the system, and here they'll get each and everything they want, premium features, premium content or exclusive offers which you are going to give to only the people, to only the customers who have bought your subscription-based model. Here you are getting loyal customer base and your users, your players are getting special treatment. Plus you are getting a steady revenue stream where you don't have to worry about different revenue streams. And fourth, we have sponsorships and partnerships. Lastly, you can identify and partner with brands which aligns with your game values and audience. So here this works well with the games which has much more engagement, because here these are the brands who want to showcase themselves in front of audience. These are the brands who want to get to know about themselves to audience. So here what you can do is you can showcase these brands by the means of partnerships and sponsorships, and here your users, your audience will get to know about different brands. Plus you are also generating a huge amount of revenue from this whole sponsorships and partnerships thing. So there you have it, how you can generate a great amount of revenue, how you can monetize your own gaming application. If you want further details, further more features, further more tips to generate more revenue, then you can contact us directly. Our contact number is given in the description box. So here if you seriously want to build your own application, then feel free to connect to us, because here in our company we have built a countless clients to turn their dream application to reality, and right now they are generating a huge amount of revenue. And talking about app consultancy, we are providing you 20 minutes free consultancy services right now. So if you want to book that, you can contact us directly. Our contact number is given in the description box. That's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can visit our website, which is linked in the description. Thank you.